Hi there guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks very much for joining us again today. Got a very short video for you that will demonstrate how to design a book cover. And today we're going to be using Canva, which, as it happens, there's a link in the description for this video which will take you to a free trial version of Canva. So once you've seen this, you can check this software out for yourself and give it a go for absolutely free by clicking the link down below. So Canva is a template-based system, and you can use templates to create what you want. You can also, create blank versions of various things, but you'd normally utilize a template on the Canva platform, which closest resembles what you want to make, and then evolve it into that thing that you do want to make. So in this case, it's a book cover. So in the search bar at the top of Canva, right at the top here, you will get, give me a second, just to open that on my desktop, you will get the ability to search for things. So we're going to search for book cover. And remember, if you're looking for a specific genre, a specific type of book cover, you can search for that specifically as well. What you'll see then is that we get a whole host of book covers, or things that look like book covers. Okay, so what this is a selection of the templates that are available for use in Canva. If you're using the free version, once you've logged into Canva, will have the ability down here on the bottom left to filter your results by just the free version, because there is a pro version as well you can sign up for. However, when utilizing the free version, you can just filter those. And what you'll notice as well is that the covers are all formatted in the shape and size of a traditional book cover. So that's something to take note of, is that the ratio of the height and the width of every one of these images is typical of a normal book cover then. So once you've kind of found one, and like I said, you can use the search option to kind of specify a specific type of book cover. So I could go, horror, for example, and that's obviously going to bring book covers associated with that genre up. If I delete that now and just type the word book cover, you've got the ability to filter by style, theme, subject and topic here on the left hand side. So there's a number of ways to sort of narrow down your search results. Once you've found something that you like the look of, I'll use this one for example, just click it and then customize this template. And then once that template is opened, you can utilize any of the tools that are built into Canva. And we've got a bunch of other tutorials on the channel that will show you those things specifically. And things like the text here on the template that you've selected, you can just double click it and retype whatever you want to in there. Okay, so the image in the background, for example, you can click and replace it. You can just go edit image, or replace it for another one. You can get rid of that little frame, single click it, and then hit the little bin icon up there, for example, and you can get rid of that little box or make it bigger or replace the text there, whatever you need to do. Once you've sort of completed your book cover then, and you're happy with what it looks like, all you need to do to get it out of the software is hit this little share button in the top right hand corner, and then you'll get the ability to download the project as an image. Normally when submitting a book for press, you do it as a PDF. So if it's going to be printed and used as a physical copy, you do so as a PDF. If it's going to be used as an ebook or some kind of digital file, you'd normally do so as an image, maybe even a PDF as well, depending on what you need it for. And then once you've selected your format that you want to download it as, you can obviously edit the pixel size here, the sort of resolution of that image, and the quality should always be set to 100%. Then just hit that download button and that will download on whatever device that you're utilizing. And that concludes the video tutorial. So like I said, there's a free version of Canva available for you down in the link as a description down below. If you've enjoyed the video and you want to see more, you can give us a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you've got any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave them as comments down below. Thank you very much.